Hey there! Ever click on a YouTube video, see that 30-minute timestamp, and immediately feel your energy drain? You need that one key piece of info, but who has time to watch an entire documentary just for a single fact?
We're all consuming more video than ever, for learning, work, or just staying updated. But whether it's a lengthy lecture, a comprehensive tutorial, or an extensive product review, getting to the core message can be a huge time sink. You want insights, not hours of playback. You need efficiency, not information overload. What if you could instantly cut through the noise and get the complete essence of any YouTube video, literally in seconds? No more scrubbing, no more frantic note-taking, just pure, distilled knowledge. Allow us to introduce you to iWeaver YouTube Summarizer, your ultimate online solution for summarizing YouTube videos quickly and intelligently. Getting started with iWeaver is incredibly intuitive. Here's your 3-step journey to smarter consumption. Copy the video link. Simply grab the URL of any YouTube video you'd like to summarize. Paste and click. Head over to iWeaver.ai, paste the link into our user-friendly interface, and hit Summarize. Receive your summary. Within moments, our advanced AI analyzes the content and delivers a clear, concise summary, highlighting all the essential points you need. It's that easy. Imagine the time you'll reclaim. But iWeaver does more than just save you minutes. It empowers you to accelerate your learning, understand complex subjects faster for studies or personal growth, boost productivity, quickly review content for reports, presentations, or team meetings, stay informed effortlessly, get the gist of news, trends, or industry updates without deep dives, fuel your creativity, rapidly digest competitor content or research for your own projects. Our smart algorithms ensure precision, giving you summaries that truly capture the video's core message. It's like having a dedicated assistant for every YouTube video you encounter. Ready to transform your YouTube experience from overwhelming to efficient? Stop scrolling, start summarizing. Visit iWeaver.ai right now and unlock instant insights with iWeaver. You'll find the direct link conveniently placed in the description below. If this video helped you discover a smarter way to consume content, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and innovative tools. And we'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the one long YouTube video you've always wanted to summarize? Share it below.